Alright, man, y'all win. I won't say it, at least for this song. Hey, you say you looking for the realest, well, I'm real as it get. Rap to the nigga dealing hard who live in the jet. This a better nigga, well, I ain't delivered him yet. My mouth big, but I got a pistol bigger than that. I live and die by my respect, so on the code. These niggas who be out here flexing, stunting for hoes. And if you ain't never chose to remember nothing before, just know the game ain't something you win, it's something you know. But if you ought to begin again, start.
What's up, guys? I just want to quick explain some few things. Many people, they are afraid of holding trades, of managing trades, because you find that some of the people, they know how to trade, but they fail on how to manage a trade. So right now I'm just going to show you an entry that I have on GBP USD. I actually spot this trade on this thing on a daily time frame. Why is because when I was looking at the price from the past, from last month, this period is our last month, so this was the open price that the market gave us on this thing on last month, and it gave us a low of the month, and this is the lowest price of the month if you look at this one here. So after that, it pushed up and it created a high. So what is happening right now, you can actually see there's an order block right here. The price actually respected this order block. So what I'm expecting right now, I'm expecting the open of the month of this upcoming month to be which is April, to be around this level. Let's say the open will be right there, and it should have a high if things go has the way I planned. We can actually see the price reaching this level, has our high of the month, or the price might break this level and come and respect this level and carry on with the downtrend, because looking at this trend of GBP USD, you will actually see that on a bigger time frame, which is weekly time frame, you can actually see that this is a downtrend. The price is going straight down, so we are in a downtrend. So as you know, the price, when it's in a downtrend, it will create these lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we can say maybe this is our lower low, and we are heading to create this thing a lower high, maybe in this level, maybe in this level, we don't know. Anything is possible in this thing in the market. So that's what I am thinking. So looking at the weekly time frame, if you will understand that the price uses candlestick to move, we have candlestick, and if you look at close to this candlestick, it's actually telling you something. Many people will ask, why are you holding this trade? I know, because when I'm looking at the weekly time frame, this candlestick here is giving me enough this thing, how I'm going to put this thing, enough this thing confirmation that the price, the bulls, the buyers are controlling the market right now. Because when you're looking at the previous candlestick, it was a bullish candlestick, and I don't know if you guys call it a shooting star, whatever, spinning what, but this candlestick, you can actually see that the bears did control the price, but at the end the bulls ended up controlling the full price, and this is actually telling me that at the beginning of the week, we had the candlestick was pushing down, which means it was looking for to have the low, and right now we straight up. We must have a high. Maybe it will close around this level. Today is Wednesday. Maybe it will close around these levels, or it might reach this level. We don't know. Anything is possible, so yeah, guys. And another thing, on the daily time frame, I think I did explain that we have the open and the low and the high. So right now we might see something like this. I said we might. This is our low. We call it a low because this candlestick came in close. So what is going to happen if this today's candlestick, this one, the daily candlestick here, if it closed bullish today, we will know that we are in an uptrend, and we will know that we created what we call a low. As you can see, the third candlestick, it's a bearish candlestick. After that, there was a candlestick which is right here. It's a bullish candlestick, and it closed bullish. So we already know that this is a low. And right now, if this one closed bullish today's candlestick, we then understand that no, we are in an uptrend on the smaller time frame. We're just taking the this thing that we're just riding the market, this thing moving into the opposite direction, using some few techniques on how to read price action. And yeah, guys, it's all about that. So when we're looking at this on a 4-hour, you can actually see that there is a level that is failing to break. So my point, my view here is to see the price maybe breaking this level and come and break also this level here. But I'm not sure, anything is possible, anything can happen. So right now, as you can see, the price is failing to break this level right here, this level. Since it's failing, I know in my mind that no, let me keep my stop loss right at this level, not move my stop loss, and let me put a flying stop loss right on top of this one, so I know when the price broke and closed below this green line, which is this one here, I know that if the price closed below that level, I know that no, this trend is the trend is it's the end of the trend, so but I know if the price close above this this zone, close on this one, I know that no, we are still in the bullish market. So if another game, if it close below above this level here, I will then definitely know that no, I'm comfortable of moving my stop loss to right this level, to the level that I put my flying stop loss. So right now I'm expecting the price to push up, but we don't know. This is the market. It can actually turn at this level, because at the bigger time frame, we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. So we're just scalping and we're just riding the market in the opposite direction. So it is like that. This is how you can actually manage a trade. Like managing a trade. If you look at this is a 15 minutes time frame, and when you look at this, the candlestick closed above this my flying this thing stop loss. So it is what it is. It is what it is. So basically, when you're trading like this, it's all about understanding your levels. You know your price action, but you need to understand your levels. You need to trust your levels. You need to, when you analyze, you need to spend time knowing that this level is one of the best levels you have. When the price is doing this in that level, you know what to do, you know how to react. So you need to know those stuff. But you won't know it if you don't spend much time in it. You need to give yourself some time. So this is then actually a trade that I'm holding right now on GBP USD. It's just a small account. And let me just show you. I just took one trade. So I did went into some losses. If we will look at this, and you can actually see that the way that I'm managing this account, it doesn't change. It doesn't change. I'm managing the account, but you can actually see that the gains that I make are more than a single loss. So this is actually, I know that I know how the market works. You need to come into the market, and when you came into the market, you need to understand that the market, it has no emotions. You are the one who has emotions. So you got to understand that. You got to spend time in this thing. So yeah, it is what it is. So I'm just gonna stop recording this video. Maybe I will post it on YouTube, I don't know, because I just wanted to show. And another thing people need to understand, the structures, they can also help you on how to become patient when you're holding a trade. Those are one of the most important thing too. If you need to learn how the structure, you need to know when the structure has been broken. This is what to do. I feel like you need experience in order to understand these things. You need someone who knows these things, how to get along with the market, get along with each and every move that the market makes, like understanding it in such a way that no one can tell you what to do about that, because you know it from your best. This is what works for me, because in the market it's all about finding an edge. So it's easy to find an edge, because you just have, let's just say you don't know nothing about trading. You will just go, let's just open a clean chart, USDK. So you will just go straight maybe into any time frame. What I will do if I didn't knew anything about trading, I will go to this levels there, to this point, and start focusing what does the price do when it turns, each time it turns, then I will come back here. Okay, I will go to the past. What did the price did when it broke this, this thing it turned right here? Did it traded W patterns, or did it traded some sort of head and shoulders, double top on all the stuff, so same thing applies. Then you will actually maybe find a consistent thing that you usually see when the price is turning in these levels, then you will start using that for sure. In some position, because you are human, you are not a robot, you will find that it won't work. Maybe it will work. Let's just make an example. Maybe it will work on this one, maybe fail on this one, and fail on this one, and fail on this one, but maybe it work on this one. Even if you have less wins and this thing more losses, but you need to go straight into this thing to how you're managing your account. So those are the stuff that you need someone who has experience in order to understand that. So I'm just going to stop here recording this video. So those guys are most important thing that you need to understand in the market. So I'm just going to put the stop right here. Thanks, you guys.
I got love for my homies who be rolling with me. Play no games, cause ain't nobody playing with me.